The mash is transferred over from the fermenter over to the still. Let me show you how the still's set up. So it's going up the cap, across the arm, up the stainless, into the condenser. Let me show you around back. Comes out of the condenser and takes this stainless pipe over, down, goes to the parrot, comes out of the parrot, goes down into the collection bins. We'll collect. Again, we're not collecting hearts and tails right now. We're just collecting all the alcohol for the stripping run. Then tomorrow we're going to run with flavor.
Alright guys, if y'all need any honey, reach out to the hive. There's a phone number right there. They have the best honey you can possibly get. Western North Carolina, Eastern Tennessee. They have all kind of different varieties of honey. Light, dark, cotton honey, wildflower honey, just all kinds. And it is phenomenal. You can look them up on Facebook. Look them up on the internet. They're everywhere. And fantastic. They supplied my honey. And it is amazing. Alright, so yesterday we did the stripping run. We had the Kamut white wheat, 6-row barley, and honey malt in. And we did stripping run. Got a whole lot of liquor out of it. Today we're doing flavor run. Already put honey in, put the blood oranges in. And now we're starting the heating up process. So man, magic happens now. Ancient Grain Moonshine. All right, making the Ancient Grain Moonshine today. And so today we have got the honey in, we've got the blood oranges in, and fresh off the still, we're gonna give it a sip, let you know what it tastes like. Right off the bat, you can smell the honey, you can smell the citrus, you smell the kamut. Even at 110 proof right now, this is fantastic. All right, we've been running since about 9 o'clock this morning, and it is now 7:40, and here's where we're at. So we're sitting at about 100 proof. Hey, Master Distiller Brandon Buffington coming here from Sugarlands Distilling Company, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, finishing up my production of Ancient Grain Moonshine. You've got to come out and get some of this. It is fantastic. I really can't thank the production facility here and the production personnel at Sugarlands for doing everything that they've done to make this possible. It has been a dream come true, and come out and get some, and don't forget to support Sugarlands. Without them, this couldn't have been possible. They have done so much. Buy some of their product, get some of that Roman Man whiskey. It is fantastic. Again, Brandon Buffington, Master Distiller from Sugarlands Distilling Company in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, making this dream come true, Ancient Grain Moonshine. Come get some.